Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss the future videos. Whether you are the student, YouTuber, content creator, small business owner or beginner designer, this video is for you. So let's jump right in. Canva is an online graphics design platforms that allows us anyone to create a professional looking designs without advanced design skills. With Canva, you can design social media posts, YouTube thumbnails, presentation, posters, logos, resumes, and website and many more. And the best part is you don't need the Photoshop or any other complicated softwares. And when you open the Canva website, the interface looks clean, modern, and very user friendly. Everything is well organized, so templates are easy to find, categories are clearly labeled, navigation is smooth, and even if you are using a Canva for the first time, you won't get confused with this website. And the only one reasons that's why the Canva is loved by beginners as well. So one of the biggest strength of this Canva is it has a huge library. You will find the thousands of the free templates designed for Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, business, education and more. You just need a template, edit the text, change the color and add image and your design is ready in a minute. So this saves a lot of time. So Canva offers a simple but powerful editing tools. Drag and drop edit font shapes, icons, elements, background remover, animation for the text and the videos, and video and audio editing options as well. So let's talk about the free version and pro version of Canva. In free version, you'll get plenty of the templates, basic designs tool, good enough for beginners. Whereas Canva Pro have premium version templates and elements, brand kit, background remover, magic resizer, and for most people, the free version is more than enough for them, but Pro is great for the professionals. And let's talk about the pros and cons. While talking about the pros, it's very easy to use, great for the beginners, use template library, work on all device. Whereas cons are some best features are paid, limited advanced design controls. So now let's see the Trustpilot review. While checking the Trustpilot review, it's just showing 3 out of 5 in average. Let's see the 5 how many 5 stars review. Oh, it's showing 29% 5-star reviews and 1 star for 53 reviews. So it means it's a less stars, majority. Let's read the negative comments. I feel well in this time, and I feel well in this time. For the first time I feel better in online platform, thanks Canva, but I don't know why they are giving the 1 star with this comment. And the next review, 1 star, terrible functionality and design. And the next comment, I can't edit the text on my design, average company, video editor full of errors, worst customer service. Okay, let's leave this 1 star. Let's see the 5-star comment as well. It's showing it's easy to use, it is very helpful, great tools, easy to use. I like Canva a lot. Good a few things though. Great app, yes, it was awesome. Great service. Okay, now overall, Canva is an excellent design platform that makes a graphic design simple, fast, and fun. If you want to create an attractive design without learning a complex software, Canva is totally worth using. If you found this review helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel and comment below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.